PE film packing machine is also called tube film packing machine. Why? Because the bag material is a raw PE film and we make bag in a real time. The bag is sealing from top and bottom, and the machine can do detail printing on bag instead of labeling. The width of the bag depends on the width of the raw material.
We developed 3 models of PE film packing machine, T25, T35, and T45, which refers to the bag width. It only takes 3 minutes to change the bag.
Our PE film packing machine is not only connect with our visual counting and weighing machine, but also connect with the optical detection machine and injection modeling machine. Let's see the application with the detection machine.
After being fully inspected by CCD, the screen falls into the OK channel. The OK product of the inspection machine is directly connected to the hopper of our packaging machine. For example, we set 200 pieces each bag. After receiving the unloading and packaging signal, the packing machine starts to work. The finished product is sent out by conveyor belt. The bag size can be directly adjusted on the screen. The maximum weight for this kind of PE bag is 8 kg.